Introducing Canycom's highly popular SC75 Concrete Buggy. Our SC75 Concrete Buggy outshines its competitors in efficiency and maneuverability compared to wheeled buggies, and has time after time proved to save the user cost in time, money, and energy. Heavy-duty rubber tracks offer balanced weight distribution to travel with ease over rough terrain. The SC75 offers ease of operation, low-cost maintenance, and high return on investment. Let's go over a few of these exciting features. A 90-degree dump angle and non-stick poly bucket allows for a fast cycle time. The ability to rotate the bucket from left to right with the flip of a switch and dump in any position allows the operator to move on the job site or in tight quarters without having to turn the entire machine. A stowable operator platform folds up for a tight turning radius. The machine can be operated with the platform stowed for increased mobility on steep or rough terrain. The Rubber Track Undercarriage provides increased traction and performance in wet, muddy, or sandy locations where wheeled machines fail. A simple single hand travel control and foot control for the dumper makes the SC75 easy to operate. The hydrostatic drive transmission provides an efficient transfer of power to the rubber track drive system. The dual dump controls allow the operator to drive the machine and operate the dump controls simultaneously. Tracks easily counter-rotate for a tight turn radius. A larger footprint for low ground pressure and an aggressive design powers through rugged conditions. The 35-inch narrow width of the machine allows access through openings where other machines cannot go. Easily work on steep slopes and other rough terrain with 25-degree gradability. The Canycom Concrete Buggy is now equipped with a powerful Honda 690cc GX Series twin-cylinder gas engine. A large 5-gallon gas tank provides the ability to work for a full day without having to refuel. The clutch lever allows cold weather starting with no hydraulic resistance. A parking brake provides added safety when the machine is parked on inclines. The horn button can warn nearby workers. Equipped with a long-lasting LED light for operating in low light conditions. 4 lift points provide the ability to lift the machine to upper building levels. A fully opening engine cover allows easy access for daily engine maintenance and is lockable for added security. The enclosed and locking engine compartment secures the engine as well as the fuel filter for added safety and security. The hour meter and fuel gauge are protected away from the elements and vandals. Removable side and back panels allow complete access to engine, belts, battery, linkage, and hydraulics for easy serviceability. The Canycom Concrete Buggy is a multi-market machine suited for rental stores, concrete contractors, landscapers, utility contractors, trail builders, plumbers, drainage contractors, and more. Canycom was the first to design and manufacture rubber track concrete buggies. Canycom is proud to not only be the longest on the market, but to continue to produce the best engineered concrete buggies in the world. Canycom.